Welcome back to your color system. My name is Telva. Today's episode 10 is about one of the most underserved skills in the licensing world, how to talk about your color system to a buyer. Because here is what I have observed repeatedly. A designer with a genuinely strong, coherent color system presents it in a way that makes it invisible. They send a PDF of prints with no context, no narrative, no articulation of what the buyer is looking at. And the buyer has to figure out whether there is a system there or not. Buyers do not have time to do that work. Articulating your color system is your job. Download the buyer presentation color brief template using the link below. When a buyer looks at your portfolio, they are evaluating three things related to color. Consistency. Does this designer have a point of view that will hold across a product line? Versatility. Can this palette work across the categories that I'm currently buying for? And pitchability. Can I explain this designer's work to my team in a sentence? Your color system brief is what gives them the answers to all three questions without making them have to guess. A color brief is a single document that accompanies your portfolio submission. It is not a lengthy explanation. It is a structured one-pager that tells a buyer exactly what they need to know about your color system. It has 5 elements. Your temperature signature, 1, maybe 2 sentences. Your palette range, the master palette shown visually. Your ground color range, 3 to 4 ground examples. Your cross-category versatility, 1 sentence per category you design for. And your colorway approach, 2 to 3 sentences. That is it. 1 page. The brevity is not a constraint. It is the point. A brief that is longer than 1 page is a brief that lacks clarity, and clarity is what you are trying to demonstrate. This is where designers often either simplify, oversimplify, or overcomplicate. The goal is a sentence or two that gives the buyer a clear sensory understanding of your palette's temperature character. Do not say, "My palette uses warm colors." That tells a buyer almost nothing. Instead, say something like, "My palette lives in the warm neutral range, terracotta, warm stone, dusty ochre," with cool accent notes that keep it from feeling heavy. It reads as earthy and considered across all seasons. That version gives the buyer temperature, a sense of specific colors, the structural role of the cool notes, and a feel for the commercial personality of the palette, all in 2 sentences. Show your master palette visually, organized by layer, anchor colors, supporting colors, accent colors, and neutrals. Label each color with the layer it belongs to. Do not include hex codes or Pantone references unless the buyer has asked for technical specifications. That is a production conversation, not a creative one. Below the master palette, show 3 to 4 ground color examples. These give the buyer an immediate sense of how your palette functions across different product contexts. Be specific about which categories you design for and are confident about the palette's fitness for each one. Do not list every category that has ever occurred to you. List the ones where your palette works and you have work to show. 1 sentence per category is enough. For example, this palette is a natural fit for home goods. It has the warmth and livability that the mid-range premium home market consistently responds to. That sentence tells the buyer your category intention, your palette's fit for it, and gives them a market positioning frame they can use in their internal pitch. Your colorway brief should tell buyers how you approach colorways, how many you typically provide, whether you develop them from your master palette, and how you handle color on request from a manufacturer. 2 to 3 sentences max. The goal is to communicate that colorways are a deliberate, managed part of your practice. And do not describe your palette in terms of moods or feelings without anchoring them to specific colors. Dreamy and ethereal means nothing to a buyer. Built on pale lavender, warm gray, and ivory with a consistent low saturation range means a great deal. Do not apologize for your palette's specificity. A designer who says, I can work in any palette is a designer without a signature. Your specificity is the value. The buyer presentation color brief template is this episode's download. We'll give you a structured one-page format with prompts for each of the 5 elements. Fill it in for your current body of work and attach it to your next portfolio submission. The download link is below. In the next episode, video 11, is the Colorway strategy, the systematic approach to building colorway options that extend your commercial range without requiring new designs. I'll see you in episode 11.